Turkish defense industry companies are adapting to evolving battlefield needs by making strategic design, development, and investment decisions. These efforts are leading to the creation of advanced solutions for both domestic and international use. One of the latest innovations comes from Samsun Homeland Defense, SYS Group, a key player in the development of firearms and weapon systems, along with the necessary equipment to ensure their effectiveness, Caliber AZ reports per Turkish media. In partnership with AEI Systems and UNIROBOTICS, SYS has unveiled a new 30 by 113 mm medium-caliber low-recoil gun concept, designed to meet the growing demands of armed forces worldwide. This new weapon concept is part of SYS Group's broader efforts, which also include the renowned CANiK brand. The innovative system, developed with AEI Systems, incorporates the VENOM LR, a recoil reduction mechanism that boasts the world's lowest recoil, making it highly effective for both land and sea-based platforms. The weapon system, known as Trakon 30, is part of UNIROBOTICS Trakon family of remote weapon control systems, UKSS. Extensive live-fire demonstration tests conducted at SYS Group's facilities in the UK have showcased the superior performance of the Trakon 30 equipped with the VENOM LR mechanism. These successful trials have affirmed the system's reliability and capabilities to global military forces. Starting in 2024, SYS Group began delivering the Trakon 30 UKSS to end users in Turkey with plans for broader distribution. The system has already been demonstrated both domestically and internationally, notably alongside the Ejder Yeltsin 4x4 armored combat vehicle, developed by Turkish defense company Nurol Makina.